How long should I keep a glycerin suppository in? Stay still on your side for 15 to 30 minutes. Empty, get up and go to the toilet. It is not necessary for the whole suppository to melt to get results. If, however, you have an urge to empty as soon as you have inserted the suppository, try to hang on a little longer as you will have better results. What are Glycerol suppositories? Glycerol suppositories are mild laxatives that are used to relieve constipation. They are for rectal use only, but can be used in the same way with a stoma. They are used to remove stool from the back passage. As they are so effective at emptying the back passage, they are sometimes used for the treatment of fecal incontinence too. This is because as the bowel is empty there is nothing to leak out. How do they work? The glycerol acts as a lubricant, therefore softening the stool. It is also a mild stimulant and causes the bowel muscles to contract, therefore making it easier to expel the stool. When used for the treatment of fecal incontinence, this complete emptying of the bowel can stop leakage during the rest of the day, which improves confidence. When someone has very loose stools with fecal incontinence, they can be used with loperamide, which slows the bowel movement down higher up in the gut, and glycerol helps to empty the bowel completely in the lower bowel.